to another video. So this is for the birds. So about 2 days ago, I'm pretty sure, I posted a video and I said that might be the final video for the birds. But I just noticed a day ago there were new birds. They're still house finches. I can tell that it's not Cat and Pete. I can tell that's not Cat and Pete because the way the female looks. But I checked and there are eggs. So with them, I am not going to check every day because I do not want to scare them away. There are 3 eggs. Awesome. And yes, they are house finches. Okay, so I am now leaving it alone. So every day I will not be checking up on them because I don't want to scare the parents away. Plus there are eggs, so I will see you in like 2-3 days. Wait, actually, okay, so actually on Sunday I will see you on Sunday. Yes, on Sunday or early in the morning on Monday, I will see you. But then the rest of the week, I will not see you because it's spring break. But yeah, hopefully this family goes right and nothing bad happens. And so with that, there's the mom. There's the dad. Wait a second. Is that okay? I'm gonna. They just made it again. I saw that. I'll have to look back at my videos and see if the new parents if they are Cat and Pete or not. On second thought, the mom kind of does look like Cat, but I'm not sure. But either way, if it's not Cat or not Pete, we're still gonna just call them Cat and Pete because Cat and Pete, the other ones, they didn't last that long with us. So yeah, we'll just be calling them Cat and Pete because they're here now. And we only called Cat and Pete for like 1 day, maybe not even a day. But yeah. Okay. I will see you Sunday or early in the morning on Monday. And hopefully this family actually goes well. And yeah. Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe and like to this video and channel. Let's hope this family goes well and nothing bad will happen. Have a great day or night. Bye.